My father was in the business. I started with him, so it was back many years ago. I think he started in '54. I started this in 1975. Insurance is very important, as much as fuel. But you need it. You need a good relationship.
Acadia has become a family to the BB's, the M&J bus.
Well, M&J is, as with any school bus fleet, you have 40, 50, 60 kids on a bus. That presents a huge exposure on the road from vehicle traffic and accidents, etc. You're responsible for those children.
The Acadia Synergy process is very simple. It's the service side of Acadia, claims, loss control, having a direct contact with our insured.
So it's their opportunity to meet with us, ask us questions, get to know who Acadia is. At the same time, we're learning more about the insured.
Well, with Acadia, you have the ability to spend more time and develop a rapport with your client. They trust me.
We went with Acadia because of Ron, because of Chip, the extra that they do. And I didn't feel I was going to get that with the other company.
I'll give you a good example. I mean, we have had a ration of slips and falls in our parking lots and that because of ice during the winter. Because there's so many of them, the frequency's there, it's something we have to do. We developed a shoe policy. We had training sessions with all of the drivers going around all locations to tell them, you know, there is a proper way to fall. If you do fall, we'd rather you not fall, but if you do fall, there's a proper way, and we worked with them on that. And I think a lot of it is just being in their face. And I don't know of other insurance companies. Every account I've ever been in says nobody else has ever done this for us. And every other account like M&J that I have, they like it, they like the process, it works.
They personally get involved with the account. Everybody listens to the needs of the client, and therefore it lends a very personal approach to what the client is looking for.
Give them true, honest advice that they can rely on.
Acadia Insurance is welcome to any one of our facilities at any time without a phone call, and that's the type of relationship we've built because we know they're not there spying on us. They're there to help us bring our bottom line to a better number.
The Acadia and M&J are like partnerships. It's a win-win for both of us.